How to enable device discovery in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to make your PC visible to other devices on your network. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and click on Advanced. From there, click on For Developers. At this point, make sure the Developer Mode toggle at the top is turned on, since device discovery requires it to be active. Following this, just below the Developer Mode toggle, you'll see Device Discovery. Turn that toggle on as well. From here, once it's enabled, other devices on the same network will be able to detect and connect to your PC, which is useful for development, testing, and deploying apps across multiple machines. Finally, keep in mind that device discovery only works while your PC is connected to a network, so make sure you're on Wi-Fi or Ethernet before trying to connect from another device. That's how you enable device discovery in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!